Folks, what's up? This is Michael in the wee hours of the night on the graveyard shift with your daily trivia question. Once again, I hope your week is going really well. Someone here in the room that I'm in right now left some leftover cake with some really cool icing, rich icing on top of it, so I'm enjoying that. It's one of the benefits of working third shift if you get all the leftovers, if they leave you any. Most of the time they don't, but that's another story altogether. So the answer to the previous trivia question was tattoos. This was really a cool kind of a anniversary history thing to study and research. The oldest known tattoos of animals and other figural motifs, as they were known and discovered as, were found on two mummies in 2018 in the UK that were close to 5,000 years old. So they found 5,000-year-old tattoos on very well-preserved mummies. These included a wild bull and a sheep on the male mummy and a set of S-shaped letters of sorts on the shoulder of a female mummy. There's pictures of them right there. These tattoos were discovered using the latest scientific methods, including CT scanning, radiocarbon dating, and infrared imaging. The application of tattoos to the human body enjoyed a long and diverse history in many ancient cultures. However, this particular discovery on these two mummies pushed back the evidence for tattooing in Africa, which was originally the case, by a whole millennium. So that was pretty cool. These discoveries not only helped gain new insights into the lives of these remarkably preserved individuals, but they also added to our understanding of the range of potential uses of tattoos at the dawn of the ancient Egyptian civilization. They were with the discovery of these tattoos, they were able to discover and learn many things about the culture, as you can imagine. Finally, the use of the scientific methods used ushered in a whole new program of conservation and research of mummies. This was a new way of discovering things and finding things out. Initially, the tattoos were just thought to be kind of smudges of sorts. And then with the use of all of these brand new and latest scientific methods, they were able to be determined that they were actually tattoos. So that was pretty cool too. Tattooing wouldn't really take off in America, just a little side geek factoid, until the 1700s, when explorers visiting the Polynesian islands picked up the trend, and I imagine picked up a lot of other things too, and a few tattoos on the way back home for themselves. And then the rest from there is history. But then we had Kat Von D, and a half a dozen different tattoo reality shows thereafter. There you go. Okay, folks, check this out. This is our new trivia question for March 3rd. On this day in 1965, an era that I love, this very strategic military supply route running from North Vietnam through Laos and Cambodia to South Vietnam is unofficially given this nickname by American soldiers, which was actually the name of the president of North Vietnam at the time. Good luck, folks. Have a thankful Thursday.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn